Hey everyone, Ronnie here with CompanyClean, and today I want to go over 5 must-ask questions before hiring house cleaning pros. Number 1, are you bonded and insured? Be confident that you're not going to be held liable if someone breaks things in your house or ruins your desk or ruins your floor. Many people say that they're insured, and they may be, but do they actually have the correct protections that you need? Look for their general liability. Make sure that they have the 1 million, 2 million insurance policies covered. That way, if that brand new flooring that you put in gets ruined, you're going to be covered. And anyone that's not willing to show you their certificate of insurance, that's obviously a red flag, so do not go with those people. Here at CompanyClean, we are more than happy to share that with anyone that comes through the door because we want to make sure that you feel that you're protected. Secondly, are you hourly or are you flat rate? There's quite a big difference here whenever it comes to that. Hourly can be great for small jobs, and if you know that the scope isn't going to just kind of creep out, right? If you know exactly what it is that you need, maybe just some dishes washed, the kitchen clean, hourly can be fantastic. But on flat rate pricing, those folks are going to be there until the job is done, right? The other great thing about flat rate pricing, which is what we use here at CompanyClean, is you can budget for every single cleaning. You know that your rate isn't going to change. It's not going to go up randomly just because maybe you had some extra guests over, maybe your dog maybe it's summer, they're shedding a little bit more. No, it's flat rate. We're going to take care of it for the price that we've given you. Another great thing about flat rate service, which is what we use over here at CompanyClean, is that you can budget for your cleanings. You know exactly what that cost is going to be every single time. It's not just going to randomly ramp up because you had a couple of people over, maybe it's summer and your dog's shedding a little bit. You know exactly what you're going to get with every cleaning. Third, are your teams background checked? It's very important. You're inviting what's basically strangers into your home. If you got kids, that's an even bigger reason to make sure that they're background checked. I have a 3-year-old and a 5-month-old. I want to make sure that they're going to be protected whenever people are coming inside. That's why we use Checker, because we want to make sure that whenever anyone from any of our teams comes into your home, you can feel safe and at ease knowing that we have rigorously vetted them. Number 4, what's included in your services? Ask every cleaner that you're kind of vetting before you hire them. Make sure that they can provide you with an exact detailed checklist. 1, you're looking for consistency, right? And if they're not going off of a checklist, they're going to be doing things different every time. 2, if you are price shopping, it can be an apples to oranges comparison depending on the house cleaner. Maybe one person does some things differently than compared to the others. And then the prices are extremely out of whack. If you have a checklist though, you can kind of take a look and be like, oh, now I realize why there's such a big difference, and that's going to help you out to make your best buying decision. Number 5, do you offer a satisfaction guarantee? Because if not, well, if those people come in and they break something, they don't do the job that you were expecting, and they don't have that guarantee, well, you're probably out of luck on your cleaning. But at CompanyClean, we do have that 100% satisfaction guarantee to where if you're not happy, we're going to come back out and re-clean at no cost to you. And if you're still not happy, which I never have to do this part, we'll give you that cleaning for free. When you're shopping for cleaners, if those rates are too good to be true, they probably are. There's hidden contracts, hidden fees, upsells, and who knows what, right? So if someone's offering you like $200, $100 to come in and clean your 4,000 square foot home, you may want to kind of reconsider and take a look and wonder, can they offer what they're saying? P.S. If the rates are too good to be true, they probably are. If you have a house cleaning company saying they have a satisfaction guarantee, they background check, they're insured and bonded, they show up on time, they have training policies, they have uniforms, and then they come in with a bottom tier rate, you can probably trust that they're not going to be able to do what they say that they are for the price that they're offering. And if you ever have any questions beyond this or anything on the list, feel free to give our front office a call. We would love to help you make the best buying decision for your house cleaning services. Take care.